Riz Ahmed becomes the first Muslim to win the Oscar for a live-action short film. Actor Riz Ahmed wins his first Oscar for Anil Karir's live-action short film The Long Goodbye. During his acceptance speech at the 94th Academy Awards, Ahmed talked about the importance of togetherness at a time when Ukrainians are battling a war. In such divided times, we believe that the role of story is to remind us that there is no us and them, there's just us. This is for everyone who feels like they don't belong, anyone who feels like they're stuck in no man's land. You're not alone, we'll meet you there. That's where the future is, peace, he said in the speech. Ahmed, who's British of Pakistani descent, has co-written The Long Goodbye along with Anil. Ahmed was nominated for an Oscar last year for his role as a hearing-impaired drummer in Sound of Metal.